In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes to your presentation effectively. This is a simple yet incredibly useful feature that many people overlook, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to make the most of it. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening your presentation. This could be a file you've already created, or even a new one you're just starting. Once you have it open, navigate through your slides. You'll notice at the bottom of each slide, there's a section that says, "Click to add speaker notes." This is where the magic happens. Click on this pane, and you'll be able to type in your notes directly. Now, you may not see the notes pane right away. Don't worry. This is a common occurrence. If this happens, look toward the top of your screen and find the View tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Show Speaker Notes. This action should bring up that elusive notes pane, making it visible and ready for you to enter your insightful comments or reminders. As you start adding notes, remember that these are meant to be a guide for you during your presentation, not for your audience. Keep them concise and to the point. Think of them as your cheat sheet, a quick reminder of key points you want to make sure you cover. They can include cues, additional statistics, or even a small joke you want to remember to lighten the mood. Whatever is helpful to you, jot it down here. The goal is to enhance your delivery without overwhelming you with too much information. If you're working from multiple devices or collaborating with a team, the beauty of digitally added speaker notes is that they can be accessed from anywhere. This means you can review and edit your notes on your laptop at home, your tablet during your commute, or even on your phone if you're on the go. As you prepare, revisit these notes often to refine and memorize anything crucial that might enhance your presentation. One last tip. As you're finalizing your presentation, take a moment to practice delivering it with your speaker notes. This practice run will help you gauge whether your notes are effectively aiding your presentation without causing distractions. So, by leveraging speaker notes, you're ensuring that you stay on track and deliver a smooth, confident presentation. This straightforward process of adding notes not only boosts your confidence, but also enhances the quality of your communication. Feel free to share any additional thoughts or tips you come across, as every little strategy can make a big difference in how your message is received. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!